Hi guys, Monday the 21st of October, 10 o'clock in the morning. Just going to do an absolute final update on the little witch running on the potato battery. Now I'll zoom in a bit so you can see she does actually move just a tiny little twitch. Get lined up on her so we can oh sorry, camera slipped. There, she's still doing the little jerk where it's trying to start up the swinging motion. That's when the capacitor gets enough charge in it just to give it a bit of a kick. But the reason we're going to stop today is these potatoes have gone well off. They're mouldy and they're smelling, so I've got to get rid of them because they stink. If we watch this one long enough, it does actually give a tiny little kick, and again that's gone completely mouldy. That's a lemon. I mean, it was mouldy before I put it in there, but it's completely gone. So even though I could leave her running, and I think she'll keep doing that for probably weeks, because that's what the old snowman did. It kept giving a kick. I'm going to get rid of it because it's smelling. So this will be the last video of the solar witch running on a potato battery. She's been running since the 9th, so 9th to 21st, 12 days on potato batteries, and I think she, at that rate, with that little twitch, she'll keep going for ages. That'll have to do. It smells. Just a quick summary of the potato battery with little rocking witch, solar snowman, got that on the mind, solar wobbler. This is the remains of the battery. I've thrown out the potato bits because they were rotten, they were stinking. Actually, the ones that I was using weren't too bad because they'd dried out. But I'd also put another row of ones that I wasn't using, and I'd kept them soaked with water, and that's what helped them to go off quickly. They'd actually turned into soup. It was a pretty awful smell. Anyway, the reason we're looking at this lot now is the copper seems to be pretty good, fairly clean. The galvanized wire, or zinc coated wire, you can see that that's actually got quite a, it's either had the zinc stripped off it or something else is deposited on it, which is obviously going to reduce the conductivity. I think it's something deposited on it, which would account for it losing its conductivity. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you that. So the copper came out okay. There's a little bit of green on it in places, but where it was actually in the potato, it's come out cleanly. But the galvanized wire, zinc coated wire, has come out black. It's an overcast day, but just to demonstrate, this is the one that was running on the lemon battery that I left the solar panel in but put a switch on it. So that's running back on the solar panel, and then the little witch, get this the right way around, negative on there, positive on there, there we go. Yep, she's happy. So, onwards and upwards, we'll find another battery to make. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.